In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Tala app. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications from this app or a lot of messages from this app that come in form of pop-ups, then let me show you how you can turn them off once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to do this, you need to go ahead and access the app information page. And to do that, you can simply go to settings. And from here, scroll down until you see this option called apps. If you tap on it, it will take you to these app settings and look for the option called manage apps. Depending on your smartphone, some might show you more apps or all apps. Tap on it and this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down and look for your app. And as you can see, my app is here. Go ahead and tap on it. And it will take you to the app information where we shall do our settings. However, if getting to this page is quite complex for you, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use on your Android smartphone. For that, just go back and look for your app. And once you locate it, long press on it. And then you'll see this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will again take you to the same app info page. Under this, scroll down and look for the section called permissions, and under permissions you should see down here this option called notifications. Currently, as you can see, it is set to yes, and that's why all these notifications are on. To turn them off, you can selectively turn them off. Alternatively, you can turn them all at once by switching off these show notifications. When I toggle these off, and now you can see they are all now off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see any pop-up notification coming from this Tala app. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.